Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on Adsterra's CPA Goal Optimization. In this guide, we will explain how you can reduce your costs for CPM or CPC traffic by optimizing it for conversions. Let's get started. CPA Goal Optimization is an advanced method for achieving maximum conversions at an affordable CPM or CPC price. With CPA Goal, advertisers and affiliate marketers can command our smart algorithm to select traffic that matches their target eCPA or the number of conversions. In this guide, we will explain benefits of the Adsterra optimization algorithm and provide a step-by-step setup process. The top-rated benefits of CPA goals for advertisers include quality over quantity. You can buy tons of impressions, but optimize them according to essential marketing parameters. Protection against overpaying. The algorithms will verify every placement that reaches the critical spending you set and ensure that it provides you with the desired number of conversions or eCPA. Flexible price configurations. You can create a set of rules that will automatically verify traffic and sort the best options. Automated placement unlinking. If a placement fails to meet your rules, it will be unlinked. Protection against false unlinking. If an ad placement hits the critical spending mark but continues to provide enough conversions or desirable eCPA, we will take this placement under control. We will only unlink it if its performance continues to decrease. CPA Goal is especially important for advertisers who have put conversions as their KPI but acquire traffic using CPM or CPC pricing models. Formerly, you had to manually unlink and blacklist placements that spend too much and deliver few conversions. But now, with CPA Goal, you possess a game-changing tool to save your CPM/CPC budgets. Here is a case study that illustrates the effectiveness of CPA Goal Optimization. Our direct advertiser, a local online store in Brazil, was launching a promo campaign aiming to embrace new audience. In the first campaign that lasted 14 days with CPM pricing, no auto optimization, the eCPA was $12 with 2,327 conversions. In the second campaign that lasted 14 days with CPM pricing with CPA Goal added, the rule was set up as follows. If eCPA is more than $7, then unlink the placement. The eCPA was reduced to $7 with 2,619 conversions. As you can see, the eCPA was twice lower with rules-based optimization. So, how does CPA Goal work? CPA Goal provides the opportunity to buy CPM or CPC traffic, optimizing it by two parameters: the average cost of conversion and the number of conversions. To set up CPA Goal Optimization by Adsterra, you need an advertiser's account and set up S2S tracking. The first step to setting up CPA Goal is to create or choose a CPM or CPC campaign that you want to optimize. From the vertical menu, select Campaigns, then Create. On the first screen, you have only general settings listed. You need to add your campaign name, choose the ad unit, select traffic and connection type, device type, and add your landing page's URL. Remember to include the sub-ID short token in the URL and match it with your tracker's click ID. To enable further optimization, select CPM or CPC pricing type. Then choose a country and add a payout. The next step is to enable CPA Goal. Jump to step 4, Advanced Settings. Scroll to the section you need and here add a new rule. Choose Custom for CPA rule and add the parameters. The important parameters to include are the critical spending amount and one of the optimization parameters that will signal the system to unlink a placement if it hits the mark. It can be either eCPA or the number of conversions. As soon as you add the rule and click the Submit button, your campaign will enter a verification stage. After we verify your campaign, you will be able to set it live. and the smart algorithm will be applied immediately to all traffic you get. Once you set up your CPA Go rules, you can easily apply them to any campaign. This feature is especially helpful if you are running multiple campaigns simultaneously and need to manage them efficiently. In conclusion, CPA Goal Optimization is a powerful tool for advertisers looking to maximize their conversions while minimizing their costs. By setting up a few simple rules, you can ensure that your ad spend is being used effectively and efficiently, and that you are getting the most out of your campaigns. So why wait? Sign up for Adsterra today and start optimizing your campaigns with CPA Go. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact our support team. Want to stay updated on the latest content? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.